I think this bag is totally useless. That's just my opinion. So, Anafi, huh? Here we go. This one, this one. I don't know, this bag is totally useless. You put your drone in here, where does the remote go? No good. So, Star Wars, Jack's little bag, lifesaver. This is Dave's drone. So, he kindly trusted me to test his drone. Okay, today is overcast, cloudy, ND4. ND4. This has to be ND4. ND4 4K. Okay, now, okay, let's stick it on. Take the Parrot out. Oof. Ooh la la. Okay, put this on gentle. Gentle. Okay, I think we're on. Yeah, okay. And the funny thing is, when you open it, it connects straight away. So, Parrot. Fly. Battery temperature is too low to take off. What does that mean? How can it be too low? It's been in a car. How do I calibrate this thing? Okay. Let me see. I'll put in high frame rate. So 1080, 60 frames per second. See if we can take off it. Oh, it does! Yay! So quiet. It is the quietest drone ever. But anyway, I just want to try some of the features on it. Okay. So we take off. Just after pressing reveal, and it goes from looking down to goes up. Yeah. Let's see what happens. How good the quality is. And it's still going, and the camera is turning, and it's up. What happens? That's it. So it's stopped. So let's do the spiral. Oh my goodness, how does that work now? Whoa! I can stop at any time. Okay. I'm a bit terrified of all these automatic systems. Don't go too high. Right. Oh! Why is it going so high? But why is it looking down? Okay, it's looking down. I tried to even tilt the camera up, it wouldn't do it. So it just rotates and looks down. Okay, now it's turning up. Okay, it is turning up. I think it reached the zone. I can't even tell what height I'm at. 54 meters up high. Oh dear goodness me. And here we go, reveal of the place. It's right here. 60 meters. Okay. Now, it's a bit of a wind actually, but it's holding on good. Now, the only things that I don't like is number one, the quality. I don't think anyone can touch a DJI to that. It's amazing. But for a little drone like this, I think it's fantastic. So we've done the reveal, the head going up, and the 360. Let me see. That's in a film speed mode, is it? Yeah. Okay, so let's just do a slow over, and then I'll put in the sports mode to come back. Now you have to watch out. If there are trees or buildings behind, you will lose connection. Sports mode now, so I'll see if the picture is any losing its quality, as you will all recognize this place. I did not adjust any colors because I don't know how to adjust here, like, you know, ISO and so on. So it's all automatic, whatever Bebop or whatever Parrot has picked up. Yeah, I'm still a high frame rate, which is perfect. Where's the drone? Oh, these. There's a lot of seagulls have come out there. I want to try the cameraman. What is the cameraman? Okay, I'm gonna have to step away, okay? Okay. It's actually kind of cool, the cameraman. It keeps the camera on you or whatever the object, and the drone will turn around. I like that. But I want to try the Epic. What's the Epic? Okay, ready? Oh Jacob, please do not hit any trees. I don't know how far did they go. I think it's probably. Epic is just flies away from you, kind of reversing. But sure, I can do that with my Mavic. And I also can do the same, the camera reveal, with my DJI Mavic. I can do the spiral probably with Mavic. Let's put that to the test. What's smart drone? Drone GPS signal. I'm the target to follow on the air. Safe fly. Okay, so how does that work? Smart drone is more like follow me. It's great. Oh, look, parabola. What is that? Wow, I didn't realise that. Okay, I'll have to play more with these things, okay? Now, there's actually quite a lot of movement. And if you know, let's say that, oh, better switch this off. With Mavic, if you want to stay still and turn around, there's not much movement on this. And this one, as you can see on the camera, I was trying to capture it, but there's too much movement up and down. Yeah, so there's some pluses and minuses, but I think it's a great little drone. You know, just gonna play around. Obviously, if you're into your cinematography, then this would not be ideal at all. But it holds on great. So I was using ND 4K filter provided by Freewell. Thank you, Harry, again. Okay, the sun has come out and so are we. I want to just do last few more tests on this Star Wars
I've seen my
and Parrot Anafi in it. Okay. I don't know, it's sunny, so okay, let's connect the lead. Because watch, now take it out, close it over. Bit flimsy though, but look, not enough space. So how are we going to do this now? Probably turn it upside down. It's not sitting right. No, not good in the end. Oops. Okay. Attach it. Okie dokies.
Mommy,
Yeah.
I'm in toasting great.
Yeah.
Why can't I see the hot chocolate?
What?
Why can't I see the hot chocolate?
Is this at home? I'm using an ND 4K filter. Smart dronies. Oh, device in GPS. Okay, I'll have to step back, okay? Orbit.
Round one.
I don't like the idea to purchase items like what they're asking you to purchase for Follow Me.
Round two, guys.
Parabola. Come here for a sec, stay here. Stay right here, and do not move, okay? Stay here where my foot is. Okay, I'm going to use Jack as an object, okay? Go, let it go! Go, run! And stop! Okay, here we go. I have him selected as the object and see what happens with the drone. Dolly zoom. Dolly zoom is very good. So next one is, let's try again, dolly zoom the other way. amazing. Yeah, I like that. Boomerang. I'm kind of not too sure. 30 meters. What does it do? Oh dear. Is he gonna hit the tree? Put my glasses on. Ball kind of comes back and comes back right at it. But of course, boomerang does return. Isn't that the whole idea of it? Okay. Is that it? Okay. Subject too close. I really like the dolly zooms. You can come back. Thank you for your demonstration. Okay, let's see if we can do the same, some of the things with Mavic, yeah? Okay. Okay, we're back in business. As you can hear, the noise is much louder. See, I can do the same, kind of take off, do my manual boomerangs and whatnot. That's my manual boomerang and it comes back now. Look. Let's try that one. I didn't do the time lapse. I don't have enough battery for time lapse. Look at the sky and the. Hold on, that's worth a photograph. The camera is facing down and I shall go slowly. See, I can regulate my own speed. That's what I like about it. I don't like the heads. What was the name of it? Where the camera tilts up and it goes too fast. And the quality becomes not great. What are you gonna do?
It's round one.
Round one. Oh, I see what you mean. Good stuff. High wind velocity. We have to come down a little bit. And with this Mavic you can do the same thing, you can tilt up. Try the cinematic mode actually. So Jack is the object, so it's going to go around. What's he going to do? My goodness me, please don't have to crash. It's going up. So the camera is focusing on him. A lovely circle around back here. It stops where it started. Okay, so we can do it manually. Right, let's go. Which way shall we go? So I'm saying, I do my own manual thing, it's much better. I give the same impression. Gently tilts down. Not bad. I can do faster. I can do faster. and I don't circle around myself. That's it. So, where's the camera though? Here we go. How's that? Yeah. Okay.
Round two.
Round two.
2. Christina 1.
Take one. Okay.
Get a bit slower, but slow is a bit fast.
I've just selected rocket.
Round 3.
Yeah. Do you know what? I don't like these automatic modes and that it does. I like to be in control better because I'm terrified something goes wrong, you know? That's enough playing now today. So, okay, I'm gonna now put it together and see exactly what it all looks like on the screen. So, let's just head back home. Had a look at the footage on the computer between these two. Obviously you can't, there's no comparison. Mavic obviously wins hands down on it. This is a very good little drone because it's number one, very quiet if you're concerned about the noise levels. I'm amazed how well it can handle the wind. Here comes the sun. But if you're looking for a fault, is the camera quality, that's all. Otherwise I love all the features that they have. Dolly zoom. But I think the dolly zoom kind of makes it zoom so close and it can become a bit of a blur. The quality doesn't become very good with the dolly zooms. It's a great, brilliant idea. I love that. Then again, the zoom in is very good as well. I forgot to try the zoom in. I'm sure as I go along, I'll bring this along with us and should try the zoom ins. You know, I love these buttons here. I love them. It's so much easier to. I can maneuver easier and more gentle with the camera up and down, whereas the Mavic one is these rollies here. Yeah, that's just pure preference, you know. Of course, addition to that, you can remove the sticks. I do take them off for my traveling purposes because this drone is a little bit bigger to fit in my bag. This one doesn't have any obstacle avoidance, this one has. So it's a great drone if you really want to play with something that's relatively cheaper. It's a great buy, very good. What I like about it is that you can charge without removing the battery. So before flight, just plug it in to USB, whatnot, and charge it. Whereas this one, Mavic, you have to remove the battery to charge it. And to view your images or your videos, you can simply just connect the USB cable and to your computer without removing the SD card. Slightly bigger. As soon as you open to connect, see that little light comes on? So it automatically comes on, and I'm not sure if I like that. So I actually don't need a gimbal protector for transportation purposes, because it sits nicely in a little nest there, as you can see. And of course, I'd like to say a big thanks to Harry and Freewell for sending out the filters. Most importantly, once you have a drone, it doesn't matter what kind of drone, make sure you have the right filters. It makes the difference. Thanks a million for watching, and I shall see you in my next episode. Bye bye. Shall I leave you now?